Hi YouTube, and today we are at a Husky gas station located on Young Street near Green Lane in Newmarket, right down the street from the petrol Canada station that I went to about a month ago, and they have a touchless car wash. We got the ultimate wash. It was originally $14.99 with our gas purchase, but we got gas, so it was $12.99. So anyways, that's how this wash will do. Here's a code.
Welcome to Husky. Please enter your 5-digit code now. Your code number has been accepted. Please drive ahead slowly.
Now we can go ahead into the wash. And it looks like we have a LaserWash 4000, an older one. We are getting around the carriage. So this is an older LaserWash 4000. Stop! Now let the wash begin. We're getting some pre-soak. A nice coverage of a pre-soak. Now soaking for pre-soak. So this is an older LaserWash 4000. Must be there for a long time. And they also have a laser dry dryers here too. You can see them too. Now we are getting another code in our pre-soak. Nice coverage of a pre-soak too. Doing the back right now. Stop. Now we are getting the tri-foam. Nice coverage of a tri-foam. Now we are doing an empty pass as always. Now we are getting the high power rinse. We're getting another pass of a high power rinse? Or maybe not. This must be our rain next now. Nice coverage of a Rain-X. Coming up from the top. Now we are getting another pass of a high power rinse. There's a lot of stuff on the windshield, and it looks like it got most of our stuff off. Not sure what we're doing. Now we can go ahead with the dryers. The transmission is not even shifting. Now we can go ahead. We have laser dry dryers, so let's see if we do a great job. We have, I can't tell what seconds of a dryer time. Looks like it's not working, I think. I think this is, it says 45 seconds, I'm not sure. Well, looks like the dryers are doing a great job. Left a little bit of water on the windshield. So this is a nice LaserWash 4000. Despite it is really old. Can't tell how many seconds to go. Now we are done. And that's the LaserWash 4000 at the Husky station, located on Yon Street near Green Lane. Looks like this wash has done a great job. So anyways, thanks for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that is it.